today?
Just down by the waterfront here.
Yes.
Over on the Asian side.
Yeah, it's a bit of a dreary-ish day, but we're making the best of it.
It's dry, but it's a little cool. There's areas where it's a bit windy, but not too bad. But yeah, we're discovering sort of a new area of the city.
Yeah.
Ooh, look at the birds.
Sorry.
Here, I'll see if I can show you these birds. Where are they? Oh, there they are. We're just we took the transit to Moda, which is a place that we've been before, and now we're walking
Past Moda.
east, I guess, from Moda along the waterfront. So
and we're visiting with the kitties and seeing some really cool park areas that kids can play in and stuff.
Yeah, this is a great area for families. Lots of parks.
Lots of kitties.
There's like skateboard parks and trampoline parks and that park and lots of cats everywhere.
There's the cat condo complex.
Oh, show you the cats here. There's a little cat condo. Oh, there's a kitty there, a small one. The cats in Istanbul are just like insanely well taken care of. Hi, you're missing an eye. You let me pet you? Aw, nice. Aw.
Yes, it definitely takes care of
Nice. Yeah. People really love cats in this city. It's really awesome. Everywhere you go, you see like little watering dishes and little things to feed them and take care of them, and yeah, it's very awesome. Oh, it's okay. I'm not gonna hurt you. No. We're down at the water on the Asian side of Istanbul. Doggy's barking. And we're just walking along and we've discovered this crazy old mansion. I don't know anything about it, but wow. What a building. The whole place is unkempt.
Yeah, it looks like it's haunted.
It does.
It definitely looks haunted. A haunted Asian manor of some sort.
Is that a heron up on the roof?
That could be. It could also be. Yeah, that's a heron up there.
That's a heron. So cool. Ooh, here's the spooky gate. Yeah, we'll have to see if we can figure out something about it. birds around here. Hey guys, it's okay. I'm not gonna do anything to you.
I'm not gonna tell you though.
No, no cuddling.